In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Facebook videos always show captions by default. Captions are one of the simplest ways to make your content more inclusive and easier to enjoy. They help people who are deaf or hard of hearing, they keep viewers engaged when sound isn't an option, and they make your message clearer in busy feeds. The good news is, Facebook gives you a quick setting to ensure captions show up automatically on your videos. Start by going to Settings on your Facebook account. You'll find Settings in the main menu. The exact icon or placement can vary slightly, but the label Settings is consistent. Once you're there, look for Accessibility. This area gathers tools designed to make Facebook easier to use for everyone, so it's the perfect place for caption preferences. Next, select Video in Motion. This section controls how videos behave as you scroll and watch, including motion effects and caption display. Inside, you'll see an option called Always Show Captions. Toggle that on. When this setting is enabled, captions will display by default whenever they're available for the video you're watching or the videos you share. That's all it takes. From now on, videos on your page will display captions by default, making your content more accessible and more watchable in quiet places, loud environments, or anytime someone prefers to read along. If you've ever noticed viewers dropping off quickly, captions can help keep attention by making your message legible even when audio isn't audible. A few helpful notes so you know what to expect. Always Show Captions tells Facebook to display captions when they exist for a video. If captions have been added or generated for your content, they'll appear automatically for your audience. This setting also reduces friction for casual viewers who might not take the extra step to turn captions on themselves, which can increase watch time and retention. It's also a good idea to keep your videos caption-friendly. Speak clearly, avoid heavy background noise, and keep on-screen text large and high contrast so everything is easy to read. The clearer your audio and visuals, the better the captions will reflect what you're saying, and the easier it is for viewers to follow along. And that's it. You've enabled Always Show Captions, and your Facebook videos are now set up to be more inclusive by default. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing content that more people can access and understand.